Welcome to Master Mathematics in Minutes. Today's topic is about the area of a sector, and we'll cover a couple examples on how to calculate the area of a sector. And we will conclude the topic with a summary. And finally, be kind and subscribe for more videos. So, what is the area of a sector? The area of a sector is a fraction of the area of a circle. Visually, with a circle, with the center label. And we have a sector in red, with radius r and angle theta. The area of the sector is given by pi r squared, multiplied by theta over 360. So pi r squared is the area of the entire circle, and a sector is a fraction of that. And that explains why we multiply by theta over 360. In the first example, we're asked to calculate the area of the sector below, with a circle with radius of 5 centimeters, and with the angle of the sector as being 100 degrees. So, the area of the sector is equals to pi r squared multiplied by theta over 360, and that is equals to pi, and we will replace r with 5 because that is the radius of the circle, and we'll square that, multiplied by 100 over 360, and that is equals to 21.82 centimeters squared. In the second example, we're asked to calculate the area of the sector below. We're given a circle with radius of 10 centimeters, and the angle of the sector is 231 degrees. And so, the area of the sector is equals to pi r squared multiplied by theta over 360, and that is equals to pi, and we will replace r by 10 because that is the radius of the circle, and we'll square that, multiplied by 231 over 360, and that is equals to 201.59 centimeters squared. In the third example, we're given the area of the sector, and radius are 95 centimeters squared and 6 centimeters respectively, and we're asked to calculate the angle of the sector. So, we have the area of the sector as equals to pi r squared multiplied by theta over 360, and we'll set it to be 95 from the question above. We'll copy pi down, we will replace r with 6 from the question above. We'll square that, multiply by theta over 360, and we'll copy 95 down. So, theta is equals to 95 multiplied by 360 over 36 pi, and theta is 302.39 degrees. So visually, we have a circle with radius of 6 centimeters, and we're given that the area of the sector in red is 95 centimeters squared, and we've calculated theta as being 302.39 degrees. In the fourth example, the area of a sector and angle of the sector are 120 centimeters squared and 145 degrees respectively, and we're asked to calculate the radius. So, we have area of the sector as equals to pi r squared multiplied by theta over 360, and we'll set that to be 120 from the question above. We'll copy pi r squared down, and we will replace theta with 145 from the question above. And we'll divide that by 360, and we'll copy the 120 down. So if r squared is equals to 120 multiplied by 360 over pi multiplied by 145. So r is equals to the square root of 120 multiplied by 360 over pi multiplied by 145. And that gives us r as equals to 9.74 centimeters. So visually, we have a circle with a radius of 9.74 centimeters, and the area of the sector is 120 centimeters squared, and theta is 145 degrees. To summarize, the area of a sector is a fraction of the area of a circle. The area of a sector is equals to pi r squared multiplied by theta over 360. So pi r squared is the area of the entire circle, and a sector is a fraction of that, and that explains why we multiply by theta over 360. Thank you very much for watching. This is Master Mathematics in Minutes.